Hello, and welcome again to Frey Life. Today I wanted to talk about changing your button or replacing your tube. The reason why I wanted to talk about this is because when I first got my tube or my G-tube button implant, let me take that back. When I first got my tube, my PEG tube, it was one of those tubes that kind of came out like with its own extension. And I was petrified. I wasn't sure what to do. I had no idea anything about G-tubes. I tried to do some research, but what I wound up doing is every time my tube was starting to kind of go or was dysfunctioning, for 2 years I went into the hospital and had them replace my G-tube button. Now, after a while, this just seemed not right until I came across a video from the Frey Life. I'm going to leave their information on the screen here and also in the comments below. But I watched this video and it changed my life. I finally started to understand that I should replace my own G-tube button. And that made a world of difference. Now, the first thing we want to talk about, of course, today, I wanted to start with our friends, the AI, or tech corner. But I wanted to let AI give their opinion about changing a G-tube button. So here it is.
Replacing a button G-tube. Bing response. You should always have a replacement G button at home. If you don't, call your home health supplier. It is often good to carry a plastic bag with an extra G button, syringes, and lubrication in your purse or diaper bag. Change the G button every 4 months unless there's a reason to change it earlier, the button leaks, it's pulled out by accident, or you need a longer one.
Alright. Let's listen and watch the video from the Frey Life. Here it is. Or here's a portion of it.
I was thinking in my mind, that was not a tickle, but let's see how it feels this time.
There it is.
Totally fine. It didn't hurt at all.
Awesome. So it's just like a little piercing.
Yep.
Here, you want to put the old one in here?
Okay, and I've got my water ready. And so there's my hole.
Yep.
Look at that.
And the new one just slides right in.
Okay, that was so easy. And then pull the blue part out. I think.
Yep.
And then water. So it's filling up that apple, the inside part, just like we saw before.
And now
I'm done.
it's secure and ready to go.
Now I have to give a very major shout out and thank you to the Frey Life family. They provided a series of videos about what it's like to, the challenges of living with a tube, but also how their life is kind of normal, and they have much more severe, they are addressing much more severe issues than I am. And they just had an upbeat, happy view of life. It was so inspiring. So I've kind of left their information down in the comments. If you're new to the Tubi community, if you're either a Tubi yourself or if you're supporting one, I recommend you check out their website. I don't know if they're still creating new posts, but some of their videos were very, very helpful to me. I think that's about all for today. I'm going to see you again, I hope. Please spread the word. I'm trying to do these videos for the Tubi community. Spread the word about these, and hopefully we can get more people to talk about their life as a Tubi. In the meantime, enjoy your Tubi life.